Welcome to our educational channel. So from class 3rd chapter 3 subtractions. So in this video you can find the complete PDF page in the link in description below. So from that we'll start this concepts here, right? So before doing, just you can find the get the PDF from the link in description below, then we can start the subtractions easily. Okay. If you're able to write, you can just copy and frame your own questions, or else get the PDF file, and by solving in that PDF, listening this video, you can practice the remaining. So compared to class 2nd subtractions, we'll go for some lengthy in class 3rd. So in basic skills in mathematics to improve, the many of you are making mistakes in subtractions. That's why I'll show different ways to solve in these subtractions one by one, right? When you come to the subtraction, this will take the from bigger number, small number will subtract, that is minus. So minuend is the top and subtrahend is which are subtracting. The difference is the answer here. When you come to the properties, if you subtract the 0 from any number, we get the same number, right? From 7, subtract 0, so you'll get the 7 itself. If you subtract 1 from any number, we get the before number. Subtract 1, 7 minus 1, no? Before 7, 6, 6 will get. If it is 8 minus 1, so you get the 7. Same way, we have some other properties. You can find out the PDF, just I have given in that. Let us start the methods first. Okay, in these subtractions, partial difference method it is. This is one of the method. Then subtracting with ends with zeros and normal subtractions method. So one by one we'll see. First, let me explain the method. Then I'll show the which page you have to open in the PDF and what we have to do it. Right. In this partial difference method, we'll take place value in this. So based on the place value, you can subtract one by one. For example, it's already given in this 976 minus 245. First hundreds place 9 and 2, right? So 900 minus 200, 700. Next tens place 7 and 4. So 70, 40. From 70, 40 you can subtract 30. Next units place. In units place 6, 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. By calculating this all, by adding this all, 700 plus 30 plus 1. So 731. This is the partial difference method. For example, another type, same one. Here is 783 minus 568. So 7 is place. So 700 minus 500. That is 200. Next place, this hundreds place is 7 and 5. Tens place 8 and 6, right? So 80 and 60. 80 minus 60 is 20. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 80 minus 60 is 20 directly. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 700 minus 500 is 200. You can remember that way. Next units 3 and 8. 3 minus 8. But 3 is the small number, 8 is bigger number. No? So you should keep the minus sign. Minus 5. So when you are calculating, you can add the positive and subtract this. Just remove 200 plus 20 minus 5. So 220 minus 5 is 215. From small, if you subtract bigger, you have to keep minus and remove that from the set. Okay, so this is actually a partial difference method. Now in the PDF page, it's around 15 pages complete booklet. In that fourth page you can open. So we have the questions subtracting by using partial difference method. Even you can learn this method, then you can easily identify the regular methods in subtractions also. Here is minuend is the question. So what you have to subtract is this 1025. From 3531, supposed to subtract 1025. First thousands place 3 1, no, thousands. So 3000 minus 1000. So it is 2000. That I am writing. Next 5 and hundreds 0. Just only 500 minus 0 means only the 500. Next 3 2. 30 20. 30 minus 20, no, 10. Next 1 5. From one bigger number you are subtracting, but difference is 4, but it is minus 4 you should keep, because 1 minus 5. Now you can calculate this set. If we calculate this at 2510. From 2510, 4 you can remove. So 2500 and actually 10 it is. From 10, 4 if you took 6. So 2506. This is the difference. Okay, so these are the so many examples are given in this booklet. Just same concept. First you can practice these all. So these all calculation you can do. Not only this, if you continue this page, we have so many. So that's I'm not taking much time here. You already know the method. No, that method you can apply to find out the difference. Let us see one by one in this PDF, the sixth page. Subtraction across zeros. So when zeros are there in the top number, so in the question, so that is minuend, and we have to subtract the number. Subtraction across zeros. That is first 123. 100 23 we need to subtract. The simple thing is 100, this all last 0 becomes 10, remaining zeros are 9. Now this is 0 because 1 we are carried to this. From 100 we can take this is 1 we are carried to this. When 1 is carrying towards this last 0, it becomes 10, but these all zeros are 9s. So 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 2 is 7. So 77. Right? Just 100 minus 23, 77. 100 minus 46. So what we should do when zeros are there? The last 0 make it as 10. Previous 0, 9. You can remove this because 1 is carry over here. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Same way, this is only can, this is 9 and it is 10. 0 it is. 10 minus 7, 0. Only 3. For example, more than two zeros, like thousands. Okay. See this example, I'll show you. Same pattern you follow. For example, first question, 100, 1000, we have to subtract the 4. So what is the method? The last 0 make it as 10 because 0 minus 4 is not possible. We are borrowing from the previous. But previous zeros all becomes 9, 9. When you are taking from 1, this 1 to carry over. This one you are carrying to this 0, it become 10. But this all 0 straight as 9s. So then we can do normal subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6. These all 9s you can keep. 996. We just continue the same pattern. This is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. These are zeros, make it as 9, and this one we can 0. Because 1 should be reduced from 1. So it becomes 0. And this is 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0, 54. Same, this one will carry to this 0, so it is 10. These all should be 9s. 10 minus 9 is 1, and this is 6, 2, 261. So subtraction across the zeros, you can use this method and continue the remaining all the problems. So many are there in this page. In this page PDF file, you can continue practicing in that. Next, we'll see the next page, first few questions based on the pattern by subtractions. We have the continuation page. We have the other problems in this remaining page. If you observe the pattern, we learn in additions, no, same. 40, what if you subtract, we'll get 32. From 40 minus 8, 32 we are getting. From 32 minus 8, we'll get 24. Same from 24 minus 8 you should write. That is 16. Minus 8 is subtracted. Observe now. Next one, 49 to 45. How much is subtracted? So minus 4, right? And from 45 to 41, minus 4. Same minus 4 should be here. That is 37. So this is the pattern. So like 3, 4, 5 till remaining all the questions you can use. Just only few I'll show you. Same pattern. So 43, 35, 27. 43 to 35. So it's minus 8. Same minus 8. So minus 8 should be it. So it's 19. Reverse also you can do 19 plus 8, not 27, 35, 43, so on. But we need to do subtractions pattern. Next here is minus 4. Observe now, minus 4. say minus 4 should be. So 24. Okay, this pattern you can do from this page. You have continuation pages, page number 10 also same. Let us do the subtractions now. When it is 4 digit or 5 digit, any digit is the same pattern. Let me write the question. When you're practicing, let space you maintain and write in your paper 4113. So when it is not top number, 0 minus 3. 0 is a small and 3 is a big. So at that time, we have to cut the previous 5. One number you can borrow to this 0. So 0 becomes 10. Since you are taking 1 from this 5, it becomes 4. Okay, you can maintain the space like this. 10 minus 3 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. Is 8, 0. Answer is just 837. Okay, 837. Next one. See some more example. So you have a full page, you can practice even page number 12, 13, similar we have, and some self-test also is there in this video. Right. Ninth one. 4898 minus 4411. So directly we have 8 minus 1, 7 is 8, 4, 0. Direct questions. So no not borrowing anything. In this question, next one, 2681. Until you practice in rough paper, just maintain space and write 2503. So if you subtract this, first you have to start from the right side. 1 minus 3. 1 is the small, 3 is the bigger. Don't do 3 minus 1 and write. Many of you are getting confused like this. Should not be. Always from top number down you have to subtract. 1 minus 3 is not possible. Now what you should do? We'll take 1 from this 8. This 1 becomes 11. Just borrow to this. This 8 becomes 7. After reducing one number from 8 only, you can take to here. 11 minus 3. So this is 8. Right? Next 7 minus 0 is 7 itself. 6 minus 5 is 1. 0. So 178. This is 178. This is 487. So we have so many problems in this page. Next 12, 13 page also and self-test also in this PDF. So by doing in that each and every problem, then only come to the next page. So all the pages you have to continue in this. You can practice in this way.